Singapore President Halimah Yacob and Prime Minister Loong have written to congratulate their Indian counterparts on their country's 73rd Independence Day. In her message to Indian President Nath, Kovind, President Halimah says that she is confident both countries can build on strong bilateral relations to achieve greater heights.
Calling ties excellent in his message to Prime Minister Modi, Mr. Lee said he's confident that both sides will be able to grow relations in the coming years and looks forward to working with Mr. Modi.